Hello, my name is Nikki and welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you will never miss a video. Today I'm excited to learn about the days of the week in Luo.
Hello, welcome. And if you notice every time I come in, that I'm going to turn on the camera because there are only the two of us. Alright? So today let's quickly learn about the days of the week. We'll start with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And if you've not watched our phonetics video, we urge you to watch that first and then come back to this because it makes it easier. So let's start with this. This is Sunday. And Sunday is odira.
Odira.
Alright? This is Monday. Pronounce it.
Wuok-tich.
Wuok-tich. Wuok-tich. Wuok-tich. Wuok-tich. Again?
Wuok-tich.
Wuok-tich. This is Tuesday.
Tich-ariyo.
Tuesday, tich-ariyo. 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 And then this is Wednesday.
Tich-adek.
Tich-adek. Tich-adek. Tich-adek. And then Thursday.
Tich-angwen.
Tich-angwen. Angwen. Tich-angwen. Tich-angwen. Then this is Friday.
Tich-abich.
Tich-abich. Tich-abich. Friday. Tich-abich. And then the last one, Saturday.
Ngeso.
Ngeso. Not ngeso, like she said. Ngeso. Again?
Ngeso.
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 Ngeso. Right? So let's just go through them again one more time. We start with that.
Ngeso.
Correct.
Tich-abich.
Correct.
Tich-angwen.
Correct.
Tich-adek.
Correct.
Tich-ariyo.
Correct.
Wuok-tich.
Correct.
Odiro.
Odira.
Yes.
So let's go together. Odira. Wuok-tich. Tich-ariyo. Tich-adek. Tich-angwen. Tich-abich. Ngeso. So you notice that tich-ariyo, tich-adek, tich-angwen, tich-abich actually goes hand in hand with our counting. If you've not seen our counting video, please go and see, because counting tich-ariyo is actually the second day. According to this, that means the second day. Tich-ariyo. Tich is a day, so second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day. And then Odira and Ngeso have history in that Ngeso is a day that people went to the market. The Luo went to the market, and Ngeso is an act that is done inside the market where they buy. I don't know how to explain this. Maybe someone who knows how to explain Ngeso can do it on the comment section. And then Odira is the church. So on Sunday, they used to go to church. So that's why we had Odira. So Odira would be on Sunday, and then Ngeso would be on Saturday. And then it depends, maybe some of the denominations, I don't know how they used to do it, because some people go to church on Saturday and some people go to church on Sunday, and but no, we are just here to learn the days of the week and to enjoy the show. All right? Thank you, and she'll just wind up as I go to the camera to switch it off.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter as Luo English Dictionary. For now, Oriti, goodbye!